Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use call screening on iOS. So let's get started. First, open the Setting app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, scroll again and find Phone option. Then, tap on it. Now, scroll down a bit until you see an option of Screen Unknown Calls. Here, you'll find two main options. Ask for a reason for calling. When someone calls from an unknown number, your iPhone will automatically ask them to say why they're calling. You'll hear or see their reason before deciding whether to answer. Silence unknown callers. This is the older option. It sends unknown calls directly to voicemail without ringing your phone. To enable true call screening, select Ask for a reason for calling, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.